Deputy Senate Presido, Senator Jubril Barau, don come out publicly to show him strong support and loyalty to President Bola Tinubu. He call am im political papa and promise say any order wey Presido give, him go carry am out sharp sharp. As he dey talk with tori pipo for National Assembly on Wednesday, Senator Barau give update about the Constitution Review Town Hall meetings wey go shele across the whole country. He yarn say if President Tinubu succeed, then na everybody succeed. Say na that one be the real sign say dem be true progressives.
Mr. President is my political father. If I start telling you what he did to me, you'll be surprised. He did so many things to me. So whatever he asks me to do when the time comes, I'm a loyal person to him, I will do it. Whatever he tells me to do, I'll do it. The president is a very kind-hearted person. When we had our problem in Kano, he was the one who resolved our issues for us. I made it possible for me to be given the ticket to come to the Senate. He stood by me to become the Deputy Senate President. So if today, if the time comes and he said, I want you to work with me, well, I'll say, thank you, sir. I'll say, thank you, sir. So whatever he asked me to do, I'll do. I'm loyal to him, 100%. Mr. President is our father, the father of the nation. But for now, we start by him. We are working with him. We want him to succeed. When he succeeds, we all succeed. Our fates are tied together because we come from the same family. Even before then, I come from the progressive fold, where he comes from. We are all progressives.
Senator Barau still explain how Senate plan take do the Constitution Review work well. He talk say dem wan make the process open and involve everybody for the country. He talk say the Senate Committee on Constitution Review don already receive the plenty suggestion and bills from Naija people and civil society groups.
To have zonal public hearings where we allow Nigerians will be given the opportunity to come in to ventilate their views with respect to their to whatever they feel should be done to the Constitution. Already we've been able to receive a lot of bills, memoranda, and submissions, which the committee is currently processing in order to make sure that those that are accepted, that have the acceptance of the majority of Nigerian public, that would be those would be factored into the bills, the compendium of bills that will present in our report to the Senate for consideration. But we are going further than that because so many Nigerians do not have the opportunities, they do not have the wherewithal to come down to Abuja to either submit their concerns or bills or memoranda and so on and so forth. We felt that we should take the committee to the doorstep of Nigerians, that is going to the zones and interact with the people so as to give them the opportunity to ventilate their views, say what they want to say. And even though we have up to 51 bills, I think, yeah, we have 59 bills and 31 proposals for the creation of state, but that is not, we're not going to be confined to what we have gotten. We still allow people out there, whoever has anything, can bring forward. So what we are going to listen from, to hear from these people, from our people in the zones, is not restricted to what we have gotten. It's an open space for people to bring in whatever they want to bring.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.